From them see the face, them know who it is. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Wrap it up. Guys, we're here. Daily Duppy. But it's not just any Daily Duppy. This is a special Daily Duppy. I can feel it in my bones. That's why I have my water, my natural water, and my coconut water. Hey, yes I do, Headie one. Daily Duppy. Headie one, pick up a bumbo class FG. Pick up the whole OFB. Here's it. So yeah, I'm going to jump straight to this without wasting no more time. Let's go, Mr. Headie one. Let's go, sir. Oh, sorry, we are breaking down, so we are pause every 10 seconds or less. Every bar we are pause. So if it's not your thing, get on with it. Yeah, let's go. Whoa, this is different. This is different. Sorry to pause it. Keep it moving. Keep it moving.
We ain't slappers. We're just.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Let me just say this from now, before I even get more further into the video, because I don't want to say it again. OFB is not a gang. It's not a crew. It's not a squad. It's not that. It's a lifestyle. OFB is a fucking lifestyle, dog. No joke. Which other Daily Duppy you see? One artist I do Daily Duppy and everybody in the background. Which other Daily Duppy you see that? The man them support each other like I don't know, like is that I don't know, dog. This is a lifestyle, bro. This is loyalty, bro. On the rappers out there, take a page out of OFB book, dog, and support on the fellas. Cause this, Jado.
Rappers. So them boy get.
Them say, let's go now.
We ain't slappers, we're just rappers. So them boy get bun and they can't do the go get your block lit challenge.
We ain't slappers, we just rappers. Yeah, wait. Big up the editor them. Editor will edit this video. This is gonna help me so much because I'm gonna be reading some of the words, cause you know me can't really understand when Headie wanna say everything him say, but wait, let's go.
You think that I play for West Ham more than the times I invest in hammers?
You think that I play for West Ham more than the time that okay. West Ham, the football team, them nickname is Hammers. You think me play for West Ham the more you think me play for West Ham more I read it properly because I know exactly what I mean. You think I play for West Ham more than I invest in hammers. Because him invest in hammers, not I'm away knocking out. Knockings, knock, tang. Them hammers them attack. Yeah, him invest in money in the hammers, not West Ham.
Got Jordan hanging the kickback, nearly to the whack to Lambeth. Unlimited boots, not sandals. I'm full side in my Gucci sandals.
Limited boot, not sandals. Okay, alright.
It's bad me get a Gucci handle, then I go take off the roof in flannels. You ain't do that, wasn't try claim it around and we call that taboo.
This is why I can't understand him now. Cause I'm gonna go second gear, him gone in now.
Then I go take off the roof in flannels.
Take out the roof in flannels. Flannels is a department store. What is flannels? What is flannels? Is it a designing store? I don't know. What is flannels?
You ain't do that, wasn't try claim it around and we call that taboo. Bro said he got a pantry, damn to the.
You ain't do. Wait.
You ain't do that, wasn't try claim.
You ain't do that work. But you try claim it. Okay. You have some boy where I say, yo, we do that. You're lying. You're capping. Stop the cap. The boss has said, you ain't doing that work, so stop try claim it. Around here, so we call it taboo. You're living a fantasy life. You're living a fantasy life around here. You're not doing it. You're not doing it, bro.
Around and we call that taboo.
Yeah.
Bro said he got a pantry, damn to the fit 2 Luger and 9s on a panel. Bro
said him. Sorry guys, this is what we do. I'm breaking down. I have to do it like this, cause otherwise I'm gonna miss everything.
And then we call that taboo. Bro said he got a pantry, damn to the fit 2 Luger and 9s on a panel. Bro,
basically him say, bro say him go a dam, Amsterdam I suppose it mean for go fit 2 Luger in a one door panel. Want some water? Anyone, behave.
You got lit and turned brand new, I'm still with the wolves. But support Man U, even though it gets long hair in the field.
Wait there, man.
You got lit and turned brand new, I'm still with the wolves. But support Man U, even though it gets long hair in the field.
Me not get the money reference on the long hair to the field. Me not get that. Explain.
Solomon, not Kalu. It was meant to be COVID. Still went and buried myself in roses. So much I had to go get some tattooed.
I'm struggling, guys. Me I struggle.
I was 28 days in a tea house. Barely ever got to change my Cambu. Whip that work by the window. Hope my neighbors think I'm trying to do shaku.
Okay. So him say spend 28 days in the tea house and the trap house. Him stood by the window and whip him thing. Cause him a lookout, they on the lookout. So obviously, him want him near them things say he's just there. Just normal. Just a normal guy. Yeah.
I had no blinds, then now everything on flee. I used to write en route to the bando. I was really on the M1 with a beat and I sold out shows. I'm
right to the bando. I was on the M1 on the motorway, obviously. Anyone, behave.
unwinding, straight for stuff I don't wanna G. Full step things, that's my favorite quote. Come a long way from Basingstoke.
That thing, that's my favorite quote. Come a long way from Basingstoke. Basingstoke there. Near Reading? Basingstoke near Reading, though. The young of them side there. Basingstoke, Reading, them side there. Don't ask me how I know them thing, man. Don't ask me how I know them thing, man. I know England. I know England very well. Don't ask me how I know them thing there. You see it? Alright.
Now I'm covered in water. They should have never sent H2O. Used to ride in my sword like Game of Thrones. You was at home in the games console.
I'm trying to dissect and break down.
Them boys still in the Sunday league. You ain't touched the field and played it pro. It's all that chasing the clout for me.
Them boys they're still in the Sunday league. Them not on my level. What sir? Them not on my level. I'm still in the Sunday league. You see me? Them are proper stadium. So we're in a different league.
Back of there chinged up my man. The my man chinged up my man. So why you wanna touch out for me over there or there? I don't know who's shitter.
This guy ching up a next guy, stabbing me, ching up another guy. Alright, carry on, yeah, man. Me feel already, me feel breaking down this. Me feel.
If that boy ever touch package, you won't be caddy, we're smoking on shisha.
If that boy ever touch package, you won't be caddy, we're smoking on shisha. Top boy touch package.
Yeah. Free up my street team. Instead, you know what I meant?
Yeah, big up the whole OFB. Big up the unity. Big up the love. Big up the support with the man and give each other, brother. Like that.
My bro, their team, all of them. Turn the block into a business. Shout out GRM.
Yo, Abraham, I'm not say this to you, brother, because I'm seeing in the background there. We need a next trap, brother. We need a banger. We need a next. Man, don't told you already, man. Spin that coup to see your up boy jump up, man. Beat that. We need a next banger. We need one. Yeah.
Turn.
What's the man not dancing, man? We don't dance, we just nod. Bad man thing. I know that was shot, right? Yes, it was, bro. Okay, coming soon. Alright. That was shot. Yo, big up OFB. Big up the whole family. Big up Headie one. Guys, me feel so miserably with breaking down some of the things, but this is why you guys are here to help me break down. This is why you guys are here to put in the comment section and correct me if I say something wrong, or if I break down something the wrong way. This is why you guys are here. Big up the new subscribers, them, me Sono. Big up the original subscribers, them. I appreciate you guys being here. You see me? Big up the artists, them that's been sharing the videos on them platforms. Big up and up. Big up and up. Big up on up. You understand? So yeah, this is why we regularly down and still, guys. Out of here. With no question asked. You see me? If you can't be good, be lucky. If it have not good for say. No say nothing. No say nothing.